So this 2011 Avalon came in, didn't crank, didn't start, boosted it, no crank whatsoever. Bench tested the starter failed. We installed the starter on it, still no crank. Okay, so basically after thorough diagnosis, we got to start with the basics, power and ground. What we did was went through every ground on the engine, transmission, and chassis side that we could find, cleaned them up, reinstalled them. It starts great.
All right. So now we're gonna put it back together, and we're gonna do the final startup just to see if it works. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is one of the ground that we cleaned up and make sure good contact. And the secondary ground is on the transmission that we clean up and make sure it's nice and tight. Like you see, starter is brand new. Okay, and battery is well charged. And alternator is also brand new.
So everything's back together. Cleaned all the grounds up. Let's see if she starts.
Nice. Confirm.
It starts. So the repair is complete on the 2011 Avalon. If you guys have found this video helpful in aiding in your diagnostics for your vehicle that doesn't start, hit the like and subscribe button, and there'll be more videos to follow. Thanks.